Welcome to a new level of comfort with the yoyomax mid-century modern accent chair designed for your living room or bedroom. This chair features a tailored ergonomic design with perfect back angle and arm positioning for ultimate relaxation. Its high-rebound seat offers firm support while remaining soft enough for hours of reading or chatting. The sleek linen-like fabric resists pilling, making maintenance simple and keeping the chair looking fresh. Stylish nailhead trim and tapered legs add a mid-century charm that enhances any space. Assembly is quick and easy with clear instructions, so you can enjoy your new chair in no time. Experience timeless style and lasting comfort, all wrapped into one beautiful piece. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.